Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a professional business card in Canva, 2000 to 25 step by step. First, open Canva on your desktop. In the search bar at the top, type business card and press enter. Canva will instantly give you a wide range of templates to choose from. Everything from modern and minimal designs to colorful and creative ones. Click on a template you like, and it will open up in the editor. Now it's time to customize. Double-click the text to edit it with your name, job title, company name, and contact details. Make sure everything is clear and easy to read. Next, adjust the fonts and colors to match your brand identity. Canva lets you pick from its built-in color palettes, or you can type in your exact brand colors. If you have a logo, upload it and place it neatly on the card. Don't forget, most business cards have two sides. You can design the back side by simply adding another page in Canva. This is a great spot for your tagline, website, social media links, or even a QR code. Once your design looks perfect, go to the top right and click Share Arrow Download. For printing, choose PDF print for the best quality. If you just want a digital version, PNG or JPG will work fine. Canva also has a printing service where you can order your cards and get them delivered to your door. And that's it! You've just created a professional business card in Canva 2025 in only a few minutes.